Next stop, Sherbrooke Street.
That would be really weird. That's not. You can't bring it. I should be able.
Gas at the gas station. And I'm eating my bread. So there's something happening where there's someone approaching our car, and I just locked the door because I'm a little bit scared. And she's walking away now. I feel bad because I kind of just locked Justin outside. What happened just now? He told me to lock the door, so I guess I did not do the wrong thing. I'm gonna take Miguel to a close by store for Santa pictures for doggos, and hopefully he does well. Are you ready for pictures with Santa? That's cute. And we're back. You ready for the presents? Are you ready to open your presents? Do you regret being so naughty? Did someone try to bite Santa? A little bit? Okay, so these two are presents. And then the rest is for the goodie bag from. What do you have here? Hey, look! You have a wild caught sprat. Soft and chewy with liver. Yum. Crumbs is your favorite. Canadian bacon treats. You want it? This is so cute. Alright, so this we got you at the store. This is just a fun little Christmas toy. I think it's like lights or something. A little puzzle Christmas toy where we're gonna hide your treats in here and you can try to find them. Is it? Ready? We gotta cut the tag first, okay? A little outing for you. Ready? There you go. Search! Okay, guys, this is way too easy for him. For someone who does puzzles like these, this is like nothing. All he needs to do is just flip it up and get the treat out. He got it. You got it? That's smart. He wants more. That's what he does. I did not teach him that. I don't know why he does it. We call it bear. All right, it is time to try the sourdough from Brodflour. But the best way, I need to go with butter. I have a fan. Look at this. It's good. It's really good. It's really chewy. And it's really yeasty, which I love. So I would totally get this again.